Hey everyone, I am here, and today we're diving into the world of sleep with the Dreamegg white noise machine. Now, whether you're a parent with a fussy baby or an adult who struggles to silence the nighttime noise, this little machine promises to lull you into dreamland. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The Dreamegg is super compact and lightweight. It fits snugly in your palm, making it perfect for travel or tossing in your diaper bag. The design is sleek and minimal, with easy-to-use buttons. There's a nice little surprise, a built-in nightlight with adjustable brightness, which is a great bonus feature, especially for a nursery.